Next operators are comparison operators. We use comparison operators in where clause or having clause. Let's see, we want to display detail of employee with salary 1000. So we will write select star from table name where salary is equal to. So guys, this is equal to, greater than, less than, not equal to, less than equal to. These are comparison operators and we use it to implement any condition. We use it in where clause. So let's have practical look. Guys, I think we all are familiar with comparison operators because we have already used it whenever we implemented selection or we used where clause. But let's have a quick look how it actually works. Select name of the column or select star, you can write, from name of the table where salary greater than 1300. So greater than is a comparison operator. So guys, you can use is equal to here, you can use greater than, you can use less than, any operator you can use instead of greater than operator. We know that there are 14 rows in EMP table and you can see only 8 rows has been selected because we use greater than. You can use other operator also, you can use less than. So rest of the rows will be displayed then. You can see here all those rows has been displayed whose salary is less than 1300. So you can use any comparison operator instead of less than. But remember, we can use comparison operator only with where clause or having clause, which we're going to discuss in our later videos. So these were comparison operators. My next video will be on concatenation operator, guys. So till that time, please keep on practicing and implementing it. Thank you.